Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning, and it's a little after 9 o'clock in the morning. And I have 4 items going out today. They wouldn't have to really go out till Monday, but I like to, when I sell something, I like to get it out to the mail as soon as possible. So I have 3 eBay items and 1 Poshmark items. Yay. Yeah. So here's what I've noticed when I was doing the shipping labels out. There was an increase in shipping lately. I don't know exactly what it is, but I could go back and read about it. But there was a shipping increase, and I really noticed it on today's labels that the customer has to pay. Now, luckily, we get a break if you print your labels through eBay and through Poshmark. But, well, Poshmark, the buyer pays a certain amount. I don't know what it went up to now. It used to be like almost $8, $7.95 or something. But let me show you what I sold. And yeah, get these packaged up and out to the mail before he comes. Sometimes he comes earlier on Saturdays and sometimes later. So you just never know. The first thing I sold was this pair of golf shorts. These are men's by Fila, F-I-L-A, Fila Sport. And they are a size 38. They're just a beige pair of golf shorts. So almost Bermudas, not quite. And yeah, they already have my label in here. So, yeah, I'm going to package them up. They're going to Edmond, Oklahoma. So somebody in Oklahoma golfs. There's golfers in every state, I'm sure. So this is the first package. These are all going Ground Advantage. The second thing I sold was by Altered State. This is a really cute little cotton tencel, so it's soft, vest. It's a long olive vest. It has pockets, and it has a cord that sort of gathers the waist in. It has metal buttons. Yeah, it looks very much like it would be like for hiking or something. This is going to Pflugerville, Texas. So this sold for $12.74. The golf shorts sold for $13, and that was an offer that I sent out. Yeah, I sent out a bunch of offers again yesterday, and right away I got that sale. So this was just a 15% off sale price, $12.74 plus shipping, and this weighs a pound. This is heavy. So yeah, I forget how much they paid, but it wasn't just a little amount. This has my thank you sticker in it. So you have to think, maybe since the shipping goes up and the customer is paying, a substantial amount more shipping, I'm sure that has something to do with the lower prices. I don't know. It would affect me when I'm buying. The third eBay items came in this morning. This is Travelers by Chico's. It's a open cardigan. This is the material that doesn't wrinkle. You can bunch this up and throw it in a suitcase. It has a long sleeve open cardigan, this royal purpley blue. Stretchy, slinky. This was a best offer of $15.30, which I thought I wanted to get more than that for this. But when you count shipping, because this weighs just about a pound also. So they paid quite a bit of shipping on this, and it's just going to Yorktown, Virginia. So, yeah. So it's a size 1, which is a medium. Yeah, so this is going out today also. Third package. Now this one that was sold on Poshmark. This is going to Mountain View, California. This is just a little mini skirt. It has a stretch waist with a wide band. Stretch waist. It's a pull-on little mini skirt, and it's a wool blend. It's lined, and it's just a little size 2. But this is in older packaging. I'm not going to send this in this packaging. I'm going to, plus it has an eBay card in it. Well, we don't want that. It's going to from Poshmark. So I'm going to just repackage this a little bit. I'm going to just wrap this in some tissue paper. I think it'll be full sheets of tissue paper. Yes, it's just this little mini skirt. Pull-on mini skirt. But it has pockets in it. This is cute. And it had a, the listing had a stock photo, which I'm sure helped sell the item. So let me put this in this tissue. And then we'll put it in a priority shipping package here. It's a beautiful day today. Do you know the temperatures went down into the 40s here last night? I'm in Northeast Ohio. It's August, for heaven's sakes. So there's my sticker. The labels are already on the package. And this is going in the Tyvek mailer. I'm going to put a little tape on here. And those are my shipping things for today. Yeah, it's funny how they come in bunches, you know. I didn't have anything like at the beginning of the week, hardly. And now today, on a Saturday, well, they came in mostly yesterday and one today. But yeah, toward the weekend. This is a holiday weekend coming up. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I'm thankful for any sales I get. And I am trying to lower my inventory for sure. So that is it for my Ship With Me video for today. And I will see you tomorrow at 4 o'clock for a live video for everything I sold for the whole week, which isn't that much, but we'll go over and then we'll chat. So I will see you then.